Pre-orders for that insane-looking car over the previous 2 years have already demonstrated how popular it is, therefore there will be a boom. Why? Since I'd like to have one. They're crazy, in my opinion, but driving an EV tank would be a lot of fun because that's exactly what it is, a tank. The only difference is that you wouldn't feel bad about driving an EV tank. It's a really unique car with lots of room. Some may think its unusual appearance to be unattractive, but I find it intriguing. Since we all know there is a large demand, I must admit that I have stakes in firms that provide the technology for that vehicle. Regarding the debate between four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive, demand will still exist even if it is the first option, as most owners of these trucks do not utilize them off-road. However, you could take it off-road if you so desired. I'm going to get one because I think it's cool. Even though there has been intense competition in the EV sector lately, top EV businesses like Tesla are still growing at a rapid pace. Their stocks are subject to the same rules. Kevin O'Leary believes that Tesla is a good investment because he looks at a company's balance sheet and free cash flow rather than its stock commentary. Former Tesla bear Kevin O'Leary recently increased his Tesla share holdings and realized a profit of over 1,000%. Despite having sold some of his Tesla stock at one point, he had a good reason, one that wasn't negative for the company. O'Leary has frequently stated that Tesla is a data corporation as well as an automobile manufacturer, and this may be the case. More significantly, he has revealed that Tesla's Cybertruck might be the game-changing car the business needs to totally dominate its rivals. I know you're keeping an eye on Tesla as we explore a number of hot stories today. Finally, something from Giga Austin appeared over the weekend when the first Cybertruck left the factory. The first Cybertruck was unveiled this past Saturday. It may not have been manufactured on an assembly line, but it was nonetheless constructed in Giga Austin. This is significant since the company's stock is growing, and it appears that limited manufacture of the vehicle will begin later this quarter. As Musk suggested, they may host a prospective customer delivery event at the end of the quarter. We will investigate whether the car that was only pre-verification built or something more. Even if it might not be sold to clients just yet, if all the checks pass, this is certainly exciting news to follow. We enjoy discussing Wall Street estimates and the forecasts of various analysts. 3 analysts that Bloomberg gathered estimate that over 3,000 Cybertrucks will be sold in 2023. It's July now, so Q3 and Q4 developments will be intriguing to watch. According to projections, Cybertruck sales are expected to reach 70,000 units by 2024, indicating the truck's importance to Tesla's development and future trajectory. Since its debut, the Tesla Cybertruck has attracted a lot of interest and excitement. Its unique style and innovative features have spurred debates about the future of pickup trucks and the possibility that electric cars may take over the industry. The Cybertruck has certainly distinguished itself from the competition, despite its initially divided reception. Its distinctive design and remarkable performance have pushed the limits of what is feasible for the pickup truck segment and cemented Tesla's standing as a trailblazer in the automotive industry. Welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow, everyone. Although he has some concerns about the Cybertruck's appearance, Tesla investor Kevin O'Leary anticipates a huge boom upon its introduction this year. He mentioned in a previous interview that pre-orders for the car spiked 2 years prior, indicating its popularity. Despite not being aesthetically pleasing, he thinks the Cybertruck is an interesting car. In addition, he stated that he has stakes in businesses that provide technology for the Cybertruck, highlighting the enormous need. Canadian billionaire and entrepreneur Kevin O'Leary is most recognized for playing the role of Mr. Wonderful on the American reality business pitching program Shark Tank. He may have invested in Tesla, since he is a shrewd business mogul with a knack for profitable ventures. O'Leary has developed into a reputable investor throughout time, having a solid understanding of market trends and investment techniques. I think as an investor, you should follow his recommendations. Before we go any further, though, if you enjoy this kind of stuff, please subscribe, press the like button, and enable notifications to be informed about all things Tesla. Among the basic strategic investors that are upbeat about the stock market in general and Tesla shares specifically is Kevin O'Leary. He owns no more than 5% of any one stock, and he sells a stock when its value rises above that limit. This tactic is clear from O'Leary's sale of his Tesla stock following a rise in value. O'Leary's remarks imply that purchasing Tesla shares would be a smart strategy to guarantee large profits in the future, given his optimistic remarks about the company. His latest remarks regarding the Cybertruck have been very optimistic. Like other vehicles the firm has built, a number of analysts are particularly excited about Tesla's Cybertruck and think the electric vehicle will change the game for the company. Asset manager and stock investor Brett Winton has said in the past that Tesla is leading the industry in the transition to electric vehicles by at least 3 to 4 years, and that the business would keep cutting costs even as production rises. Over the years, Winton has maintained a strong bullish position in Tesla and predicts that EVs will rule the auto industry in the next 5 years. He predicts that by 2027, some 60 million electric cars would be sold, with Tesla accounting for a sizable portion of that figure. He added that Tesla will face significant challenges if it is able to create completely autonomous driving technology. In his discussion of innovation's potential as a major competitive advantage for businesses, Brett Winton drew parallels between investments in emerging markets and contemporary innovation. Everyone can see that Tesla has radically changed the auto business through innovation. As governments put supportive laws in place, Tesla is well positioned to profit from the growing demand for environmentally friendly transportation options and the shift to clean energy thanks to its cutting-edge technology, creative features, and ongoing improvements. For many years to come, Tesla is expected to continue leading the market and seeing significant growth. One may own Tesla's stock for a long time due to its supremacy and tremendous growth potential. With a sizable market share worldwide, the carmaker has maintained its position as a pioneer in the electric vehicle sector. However, what about its alliances? Tesla's capabilities are further enhanced by its partnerships with other firms in the autonomous technology area. Working together with specialists in robotics, artificial intelligence, and computer vision allows Tesla to take use of outside knowledge and quicken its journey to complete autonomy. In the upcoming years, Tesla has a lot to look forward to, and these advancements may raise demand for the company's products and, eventually, the price of its shares. Without a doubt, Tesla has bright future growth prospects. The company is well positioned for significant development in the upcoming months and years thanks to its unwavering focus on technology improvements, global expansion, and a sustainable energy future. Even if the price of Tesla's stock may not be as high as it could be, it is still likely to be a wise investment down the road. O'Leary acknowledged that Tesla was his best performing investment at the time in 2020 and gave his son credit for motivating him to purchase Tesla stock in 2019. He said the corporation is an AI and data technology company rather than just a car maker. According to O'Leary, businesses that are able to weather difficult times typically have viable business plans and smaller debt loads, which enable them to pass along their incurred expenses to investors and customers. How do you feel? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, along with your assessment of Tesla. Click on the next video that appears on your screen to find out more about Tesla's recent activities. I'll see you there.